So I found a camera. I feel like that look good. It's $6.29. I'm looking at cameras because I really need a camera. Like, I really need a camera. And I think I'm gonna go with this camera. It's a Canon G7X Mark II. And it looks nice. Talk to my video. But I don't even know how to work a camera. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new. My name is Samaya, and today I'll be doing attempting to get my life back together, because I need to get my life back together. And excuse the way I look, because I literally woke up and picked up the camera and said, let me make a video. So yeah, this is off the wake up, y'all. Puppy face, everything, like, this is off the wake up. But today I'm gonna be attempting to get my life back together, because I need to get my life back together. My life is together, but it's like my mind is decluttered. So I feel like if I just start fresh and clean up and, you know, do stuff that I've been procrastinating doing, I feel like I'll be in a better mindset. So I have a to-do list, and on my to-do list I have clean room, fold clothes, clean bathroom, do homework, study, post on TikTok, and I left a space blank. I left a space blank, if you guys can see, because I know I need to do something else, but I don't know. I'm just gonna attempt to get my life back together. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get breakfast. It's actually 9:25. I don't sleep this late. I'm usually up earlier, but for some reason last night I was so sleepy. Like, I was so sleepy. I think it's because I took melatonin and I had the sleep spray and I was knocked out. But I needed that sleep. I was sleeping so good, like so good. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Starbucks, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I recently got a new tattoo on Wednesday. So I got my mom's name right here, and I got an S with like a heart. It's kind of hard to see because like the way it's set up, but yeah, I got an S with the heart. And you know, like once you get a tattoo, you gotta do your aftercare and stuff. So it's been like 4 days and I've been using AD, but I'm trying to figure out if today I could switch and use like lotion or something. I gotta look it up. But yeah, I got tattoos tatted. I want some more. Like, I only got 4. Like, I got this a cross with a heart, and then I got like 3 butterflies right here, and I got these 2, but I need some more. But I'm scared. Like, I really want a spine tattoo, but I'm so scared of the pain, because everybody says like the pain of that spine tattoo is real bad. And I don't know if I want that. Like, I was crying. I wasn't crying, but I was like, when I got all of these. So imagine the spine. And I did not vlog it because, like I said, I was like, because it was hurting. Like, especially this one. This hurts really bad because it's on my vein. So yeah, but I didn't record it because I just couldn't. Like, I was focused because it was hurting so bad. Like, so bad. But I need to look up, like, can I start using lotion, or do I have to use that ointment still? Because it's like in the peeling stages. So I think they say once it's in the peeling stages, you could use lotion. I gotta look that up, because now I'm actually wondering, like, guys, I'm at Starbucks. Look how long the line is. Like, this line is so long for no reason. Like, why does the line have to be long? The day I want to go to Starbucks. Any other day, it's not long. And I'm debating if I should get matcha or like a refresher. Let's see. Let me go on TikTok because I find all my drinks on TikTok. I think I'm gonna go matcha though. I kind of want a refresher. I think it'll give me energy. Matcha. Dang. Oh.
You're gonna order a regular iced matcha latte, but you're gonna add vanilla sweet cream cold foam and matcha in the cold foam. It's like matcha heaven. Comment any other suggestions.
I had this already though.
And if you like this, let me know what you think. If you love matcha, you're gonna love this.
Okay, this is day 3,425.
Okay, if it's your first time trying out matcha, try it like this and let me know what you think. What you're gonna want to order is a grande iced matcha latte with 2 pumps vanilla syrup. If you love matcha,
I don't know. I think I'm gonna get a refresher and like a sandwich. I just got back home from Starbucks and I got a strawberry acai with lemonade, and I got a turkey bacon sandwich. I love this sandwich. I'll be on this sandwich too bad.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? Me, I don't know no.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with cleaning my room first because my room is so junky. Like I told y'all, I just been like everything's been cluttered and I need to declutter. Like if I show y'all my room, y'all will be like, how are you like managing?
It's the freaking me I want. I wanna fall in love for the weekend. 3 boyfriends, I don't know where I'm staying. We be coming, for the room service, and we done. That's a secret. Hey, no, my pussy info. We give it some out. You know what you hear about. Till I cuss again, let you know what the key code. This ice on, what do you think? Got your hands up. You got everything that I like. You don't need a booty, you lying. You mix the liquors, you mine. You need sweating, call me closer. It's the freaking me, I wanna show you.
Y'all, I do not like folding clothes. Like, I feel like it takes so much time. But we're being better. We're gonna start folding our clothes after we wash them, not a couple days after. We're gonna fold them right away. Cause we're being better. We're changing. So guys, I'm making progress, like so much progress. Like I should really give a round of applause to me because I'm doing my thing.
All that junk inside your trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. My hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drop these fuckers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices. Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly.
So guys, I just finished cleaning my room. So let me go to the checklist. So I cleaned my room. I folded clothes. Now all I have to do is do my homework, clean the bathroom. Yeah, I gotta clean the bathroom, study. Yeah. But I cleaned my room and I folded my clothes, so I just need like a little break, like an hour break. Well, that's too long. I just need a break because I was cleaning my room for a long time, and it's 12:24 right now. So I've been cleaning for a long time. I need to fix my camera settings because like every time I try to show y'all something, it don't be focusing. Oh, there you go. But it's 12:24, and yeah, so I'm gonna just watch TikTok or something, and that's it. I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I start doing homework and cleaning. Today I think I want to actually like paint or something, like do something different, because I need to change my habits. Like I feel like one of my bad habits is being on my phone. Like I wake up and get on my phone. That's so bad. Like that's so bad. But I be trying to stop, but it's like I'm human. But that's the habit that I want to stop. Like reduce my screen time. So I'm gonna try painting today. I like painting. Like it's very like therapeutic. But the hard part is like, what do you paint? But I'm gonna look on Pinterest for like ideas. But I think I want to paint today, and I kind of want to go to the park and paint, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But for sure I'm painting today. Maybe outside, like in the grass or something. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Getting ready to start cleaning the bathroom. But I don't like cleaning the bathroom because it smells like the chemicals. So I'm gonna put mask on, be masked up, because I don't like that smell. But cleaning the bathroom takes so long. Like, it takes so long. But we need to clean the bathrooms. I'm doing it. And Mom, if you see this video, you're welcome in advance. So yeah, I guess just watch me clean the bathroom.
She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat? Yeah, hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the back. Got too many rounds in the Philly, AK, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your chain go, how you do that shit? Me and girl don't fuck the same go, how you do that bitch? Shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you...
So I just finished cleaning the shower and the toilet. So now I'm gonna start cleaning off the counter, wiping it down, doing the sink. That's about it for the bathroom.
Over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go toast, especially who go, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I did. How you get that shit, you got her man on your hoe.
So guys, it is 5:14. and I just been taking a break. I finished cleaning the bathroom. Let me look at the checklist because I basically finished doing everything I said I had to do. So I cleaned the bathroom, I folded my clothes, I cleaned my room. Now all I have to do is do my homework, study, and I can't post a TikTok today, so I'm gonna probably post it tomorrow instead. But that's it. And then I still want to paint, and it's some few like other things that I want to do. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm doing homework or studying. It's 6:44 and I'm about to start doing my homework. So let's see how long it would take me to finish my homework. Got me a cup, got me a candle that I'm about to light, and we're gonna be focused and do our work. So yeah.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it like this. I wanted to see this. I wanted to make it up. I'ma trade it off, boy. It just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship.
Okay guys, so I finished my homework. I only had like one assignment to do. It was like a little quick quiz because we have a test coming up, but that was it. So now I'm gonna start painting, and like I really don't know what I want to paint, but I think I'm gonna look on Pinterest. I'm looking right now for like ideas. Like I want to do something simple but like still cute. I just love Pinterest. Like Pinterest is really where the vibes are. Like everything's so nice. But I want something easy, because painting is not my thing. But I like the whole like concept of painting. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna paint, but I just know it's gonna be something easy and cute. What smiley faces? Like I don't know if I want like to drip. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so this is my little setup. Don't mind the painting set because we used it before. But this is my little setup. Real cute, real cute. So yeah, I'm gonna be painting the smiley faces, but I don't know if I want to do like the drip. We're just gonna see. Just stay tuned, because I'm not a painter, so please bear with me, okay? If it look bad, I'm sorry. I'm not a painter. I'm just doing it because I want to feel relaxed and, you know, just trying new things.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name. I love that name.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. My time with you. 5 minutes for me.
Okay, it's 8:46, and y'all, I told y'all I'm not no like artist. Like, look at my circles. They don't even look like circles. But that's okay because I drew these circles without no cup. These off the wrist without none of that. But I'm gonna start painting. Mind y'all, I'm not no artist, so like for me this looks I don't know, we just gonna see. Maybe once I start painting it'll start looking like something, because right now it's looking like a whole lot of, what is this? Okay, y'all, so this is a painting fail because I don't have the right stuff. Like, look at this. Like, I don't have the right brushes. At least I tried. I don't have the right brushes. Like, I need like thin brushes. Like, look, these brushes not good for this. And maybe I should have used like a Sharpie. Y'all, look. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing, but I'm literally trying to make it work, but I don't think it's gonna work because I don't have the right stuff. Yeah, because none of these brushes are, oh wait, this brush might work. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I had this little brush. I don't think it's gonna work though. Let's see, let's go to a different one. Let's do this. Yeah, no. This ain't gonna work. This is a fail. We gonna make it not a fail though. But like, look at this. It's the brushes, okay? It's the brushes. It's definitely the brushes. So guys, painting was a fail. I didn't have the right stuff, but that's okay because the whole time I felt relaxed, but I just don't have the right stuff. So in another video, I'ma actually like lock in and get the right stuff because I like painting. Like, as I was painting, even though it didn't work out, I was so like relaxed, like calm and everything. But it's just I didn't have the right stuff. I was not prepared. But I didn't give up. Well, yes I did, because I'm not doing it no more. But I'm not doing it because I don't got the right stuff. But I feel like if I had the right stuff, I would have definitely ate this up. I would have definitely ate this up. So stay tuned for another video where I get the right stuff and I actually paint. But it was very nice. I enjoyed it. So I'm gonna go take a shower, eat dinner, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys because I want to start like journaling and reading more books, because I really like reading. Like, I really enjoy reading books. Like, that's something I could do and actually like enjoy it. And I used to read books a lot, but I don't know, I just stopped. Like, I got unmotivated. But I like to read books that are like based off self-improvement, like how to make money, how to better your habits, how to like just evolve and be that girl. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I take a shower and start reading my book and journaling. Okay, so I just got out the shower. It is 12:22. I mean 10:22, 10:23 now. But I'm about to read my book. So today's book, I think it's gonna be I'm debating if I want to start a new book or read a book that I already have. I think I'm just gonna finish a book that I already have. So where's the book? I'm like halfway done with Rich Dad Poor Dad. So this is the book. I just lost my page. This is the book right here, Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's like a finance book. It's so good. Like, it really opens your eyes about like a lot of stuff. So I definitely recommend reading this book. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I finish reading my book.
Looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's living it all.
Okay, so I just finished reading a few pages of Rich Dad Poor Dad, and this is really my book. Like, this is where all the knowledge and the tea and everything. Like, let me just tell y'all some things I learned from just reading this chapter. McDonald's is the largest single owner of real estate in the world. I did not know that. And then I learned about how, like, well, I already knew this, but like, schools only focus on teaching kids about like how to go work for somebody else instead of working for their own self. So, you know, when they ask, well, in school, what do you want to be when you grow up? You know, people be like a doctor, a teacher. I want to cook. You know, in the book, he was saying like, these are skills that are only going to make you work for money. Like, how are you making money? Like, your own personal money. Because there's a big difference between, this is what they say, there's a big difference between your profession and your business. So like, he used an example. He was like, he asked somebody, what is your business? And then they said, oh, I'm a banker. And then he asked, do you own the bank? And they said no. So basically, you know, he's just saying like, they have confused their profession with their business. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today of me attempting to get my life back together. I really felt like today, I'm actually proud of myself because I did everything I had to do in my checklist. And that is so good for me. Like, a round of applause to me for sticking through it. And I was not on my phone as much today because I said I want to limit like my screen time. I was productive. I just love it. Love being a productive girl. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.